Hi, this is a continuation of Blade templating concept. So in my previous video, I had shown you how to create master layout and extend it using the extends keyword. So you need to add a add sign at the start. So this is a format of Laravel. Now, now we in the previous session we just had one yield content over here. You can have what I wanted to show you right now is you can have multiple yield content, so you can say 1 2. Make sure that you have different names to the sections. So in this section I can have so I can define section 1 over here, define section um, with content 1, and I can say I'll just some content just to show you, and let's echo this out on the front end. So here we go. We have that we have this content on a front end. So in that way you can have as many yield statements as you want over here. This can be mixed with HTML in the master layout. So just remember this is very important. The next construct that I want to show you is a ESET statement. Now say suppose that some of the array elements are missing. So say suppose you don't have a name. How do I check for no name in the array? So in that way you can check it. You can just say let me just clear that off. There's a ESET statement. So what ESET does is it's similar to PHP. It checks whether the name is set. So I'm going to say fruit name. If it is set, then I'm going to just echo that out, fruit. Else this is a ternary operator similar to PHP. I'm going to say there is no name, and let me just add a break over here just to make it display on a separate line. There you go, there is no name. So in that way you can check it. You can check whether the name is, whether the key is set using the ESET construct of Blade. Next I'm going to show you how to use PHP code inside Blade. So let's go to the page. We are on the same page now. If I go to this section, I can, if I want to do some PHP calculations, then I can just say PHP preceded by a @ sign, and to end it I have to end PHP. So these are keywords, so this syntax has to be followed, and inside that I can just say I'm just using echo statement over here. So I can just echo it out, and it will echo out the content inside PHP. I can do any PHP coding over here, and it will display it out on the front end. Another thing that I wanted to show you is adding comments in Blade. So to add comments, it's similar, and it's 2 hyphens preceded by opening curly brackets, and 2 hyphens followed by closing curly brackets, and this is how you write comments. This will not be displayed on the front end. So this is a very important features of Laravel Blade templating tool. In other templating systems, you will not be allowed to use PHP code, but in Blade you can use PHP, and that is very important. Next, I'm going to show you how to include other views into your child view. So we have this child view page.blade.php. Now I'm going to show you how to include other views. So to do that, let me create a new folder over here. So let's say it is a common views. So I have a common folder over here, and I'm just going to create a file and save it as, let's say, footer dot blade dot php. So this will be my footer. This is my footer, and I'm going to include it over here. So to do that, I have to say at include common dot footer. Let me just wrap it in a div tag, and that's it. Your file will be included in this, and let's just check out. So here we go. This is a footer content over here. That's it for now. There is a lot other functionality in Blade templating tool. You can extend Blade templating tool. You can have your own directives. There are other constructs that you can use in Blade. If you go to Laravel site on the Blade page, you will find all the details of it. Now I'm not going to cover it all the functionality for now, but I've shown this basic Blade functionality to you, so that we can start building a admin section. I will be covering Blade in details in the later parts. We are going to build some custom directives that we can use in a Blade template, but that's it for now. If you're finding this videos helpful, then please like or subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.